Eating this for breakfast for 1 month will speed up metabolism and help you lose weight. Excess body fat can be the main reason for the development of many diseases including diabetes, hypertension, fatty liver, heart diseases as well as cancer. Foods that have a high content of fiber can make you feel full much longer, and they are recommended for people who struggle with constipation. Foods that are a great source of proteins are excellent as well, especially in the case if you want to lose excess fats while maintaining your muscle mass. They will supply your body with the needed energy for the upcoming daily activities. So, if you have a problem with excess weight and you want to lose weight naturally, we have the perfect solution for you. We have smoothie recipes that make a great breakfast that will speed your metabolism and improve your body's ability to burn fat. They are extremely delicious and healthy. Smoothie recipes which will help you lose fat like crazy. These recipes will help you to lose weight without any special effort. Just follow the instructions below. 1. Needed ingredients: 1 orange, 1 banana, 2 fresh or dried figs, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil, 2 tablespoons almonds, crushed, 1/3 cup water. Directions: just put the ingredients in a blender and your smoothie is ready. Enjoy. Note, if you prefer to use dried figs, make sure to soak them in water for 30 minutes before their usage. 2. Needed ingredients: 1 cup of raspberries, 1 banana, 1 apple, half a lemon, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Directions: put the ingredients in a blender and blend well in order to get a smoothie mixture. Note, if you use organic apples, don't peel them. 3. Needed ingredients: 1 banana, 2 kiwis, 1 orange, half an apple, 1 tablespoon hazelnut, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Directions: put the ingredients in a blender and enjoy this healthy and fresh smoothie.